Be safe, be careful.
We start this epic journey at Jasmine Hostel, and from here we'll spend the next 3 days, 2 nights on the Ha Giang Loop. So start your engines because it's time for an adventure of a lifetime.
Morning up, kind of nervous.
In 3 days, you take up about 300 kilometers. And when you are now,
Alright, we're about to start the loop. How we feeling? No. Got the nice whip. Got some safety protection. We're ready. Let's go.
It's a little wet. The handles are like freaking slippery.
Oh, good. The views are stunning. Look at this. Psych. Okay, these are called the boobies. Right there, the boobies. After a quick lunch, we say our goodbyes and head back on the road towards Lung Kui Cave.
What the hell?
So we started down there, all the way up there, and now we're up here. Okay, we had dinner, we had some drinks with our group. It was pretty fun. Just walking the town, seeing how the locals live.
Let's go check that.
It's kind of fun. You're getting a haircut. You're so cute. Okay, so the homestay that we were supposed to stay at, Bong Bang, is actually a super nice homestay, but Chase took one look at the dorm room area that we're supposed to stay. It's literally just mattresses, like everyone's touching each other, just a shit ton of people in one room, no AC, open concept, which in the mountains I don't think it stays super warm at night, but Chase took one look at that and he's like, yeah, my insomnia says no, and he didn't get a very good night's sleep the night before. Actually, he didn't sleep at all the night before, and we're driving ourselves, so he's like, I needed a place to actually sleep tonight, so we booked a other homestay, which is 5 minutes away, a private room. And so we were at Aka Homestay, and quick tour of a room, just a bed, some cute decorations, full-length mirror. Hi. This is the funny part. The shower is just ginormous rocks. The shower, bathroom, everything. Personally, I kind of like it. It's one of the best showers I've had here in Southeast Asia. The water pressure is strong, hot water, but it's not like you can find the right temperature, whereas normally it's like too hot and you're burning your freaking skin off. So that was like one of the best showers I've had, and the rocks were kind of a vibe. So overall, pretty good. So day one is supposed to be the easiest day.
The rain messed everything up though.
The morning we started with some haze and mist and then rain, and that's not ideal. If you motorbike at all, you know that's like just terrible, especially when you have certain bikes like our bike. But we made it okay. So our group is actually pretty small. So everyone in Jasmine is like, the groups are too big, blah blah blah. But our group is tiny. We're all self-drivers, and then we have 2 guides, one in the front, one in the back. So it's our bike, another guy solo. There was another guy solo, and then 2 people on another motorbike together. That was it. And about an hour into the trip, it's raining, it's terrible, we're in the clouds. This guy wiped out pretty good.
He flew off his bike.
He flew off. Like, I'm not saying it was okay. Like, he flew off. He was
like 20 feet.
He was totally okay, but he flew off, and we saw it. No one else got hurt, but
bags. Did you see that?
Yeah, he is not good. And he ultimately decided, you know what, I don't want to continue, so he went home. Kind of scary. We were all like, oh, okay, a little weary. But then we made it throughout the day, okay? Beautiful. It was hazy still, so I don't think we got the best of the views, but I mean, like, it was still beautiful. We were 10 minutes away from our homestay, and this one couple on the motorbike, they have a full manual, like the clutch, everything. This bike is heavy. This bike is massive. We were going down windy roads, and literally, I think it was like the second to last curve. They went around, and there was this pig that was dead on the back of this motorbike, and we were following it. So kind of a lot going on, and it kind of distracted him, I think. And then there was a pothole in the road that he kind of went over, and I don't know the full story, but while he was turning, they were going slow, but they skid out. And
they didn't skid out. His handlebars turned all the way, and then it fell.
Okay, so the bike fell. The girl on the back was okay, because the exhaust pipe on this bike is like huge. So like, she honestly, I don't even think she like scraped, and it was so slow that she was able to like catch herself. But unfortunately, the driver, his butt got caught between the exhaust pipe and the ground, and it got smashed. Like, the full weight of the bike went on him, and it like pinned him. So his foot is not doing too well. Long story short, I think they're gonna take an Easy Rider tomorrow because, well, one, you can't just hop back home. Like, you can't snap your fingers in your back. Like, we're a day into this. Also, he's super good sport about it all, and he's like, you know what, I want to keep going. And so I think they might do Easy Riders, so I don't know if they're going to stay in a group. So if they don't stay in a group, then it's just us and one other guy, which is crazy. We have a tougher day tomorrow, but I think we'll be okay.
Tougher though, like the
rain. This side's harder.
Yeah, well, maybe like bumpier roads.
Yeah,
the rain,
more extreme terrain, but you feel confident, right?
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah, so
as long as it's not super.
I feel confident in that, but I just hope our group doesn't have bad luck. I'm not sure, but we are a-okay. Survived the first day, but yeah. Good morning. This is the start of day 2, Ha Giang Loop. Let's go. How are we feeling about day 2?
Good.
Woo!
How you feeling?
Let's go. Day 2 is the most dangerous day, apparently, so.
Wait, I thought this is what day 3 was.
No, I think day 2 is the hardest. I don't know, but we're going to the Chinese border today.
If I had like me and like someone else my size on that bike, I don't think it would be.
No, I know.
There you go.
Cho lo đi. Chinese border. Let's go. China, here we come.
And if you go to China, easy. You can go past the border.
So is that past there China or is like here China?
That's
On the other side
and
of
this
Phuket.
just they make like this for everyone. Don't go to close the border. If now we go to close the border, they have speaker, they have camera.
So
And they talk for everyone. Come back, don't go close the border.
you can't run CSA, yeah?
I'll take one for the team.
对对。
Our guide.
Now has no inside. It's just smoke.
Is there water in there? Is it an actual boat?
It's not a ball.
Just climbed so many stairs, but the view is worth it. That is cool.
That's nice.
Yeah. In the province of Ha Giang, there are 43 different ethnic groups. Each group has its own language, traditions, and subculture. You get the opportunity to drive through many of these villages and get a glimpse of their traditional way of life, from the bright clothing they wear to the difficult work they do each day.
We need to back to the car when we go up.
So far. Oh, is this a viewpoint? Oh! I'm fucking.
Hi guys! Day 2 recap. We survived. No injuries, nothing. Good. No one else in our group fell either. Beautiful freaking day today. I mean, you'll see in the clips. It was gorgeous. We went over this one pass, and in that moment, I just felt like I was on top of the world. Like, it was just this crazy feeling because it was just so beautiful. And it was so high up, and it just, you felt so small, and it's humbling and it's super amazing feeling. Loved it. Long day on the motorbike though. Like, my body just started hurting. It was some rough terrain, so like lots of potholes and stuff, and we got a pothole good. We were okay. No tire popped or anything, but definitely hurt the back a little bit. Yeah, it's just overall a very wholesome, very beautiful day. Loved it. Tomorrow might be a little brutal. We have a very long trek back. It's our last day. We're also going to be doing this thing called the Skywalk, which you'll see in the future. Heard it's kind of scary, but pretty cool. And I'm excited. And then dinner was okay. We really didn't have that much food, so still kind of hungry. But we were drinking happy water, we were drinking beers. They had like a whole room to party in, so it was kind of fun. But it's about like 10. Oh my gosh, it's almost 11 o'clock, and we are gonna head to bed because we have a full day tomorrow. Can't wait to have a great day tomorrow and finish it at Jasmine Hostel. We'll get something to eat there, and then we have a whole night bus home, or to Hanoi, which is going to be really, really long. Like, I think we won't get back to our accommodation in Hanoi until like 3 a.m. So that'll be fun. But we'll survive. See you tomorrow. Okay, started day 3 today. Feeling good. Weather's looking good. It's going to be our longest day, so pray for us.
I guess got 4 hours straight of driving, so
How are you feeling?
good.
Tired of driving?
Not right now, I'm alright, but eventually.
Yeah.
Crazy driver. Crazy driver.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you. 'Cause you're my home away from being alone. Why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you. 'Cause you're my home away from being alone.
Landing.
For what? At the top?
Yeah, to the top, to the sky.
Oh.
It's something. You do very good. You feel wow. You can talk. Landing.
Landing. Okay.
What do you think?
Okay, we just walked up the sky bridge, they call it, and I can see why it's called that. It's so incredible. The views are breathtaking. So we walked, but someone in our group with a hurt ankle rode a motorbike up with the Easy Rider. He said it was so sketchy. Disaster has struck. Our drone is stuck in a tree. Well, in a mountain. And Chase thinks he can get it, so he's determined. I don't know about this. We shall see. Okay, this might actually work. I'm kind of scared for them though. Look at, that's just straight rock. Okay, you see that thing moving? Oh, what the fuck? How did you do that?
Tom, you did the time.
I'd be so
Like gray, yeah. It should stick out. I think.
I wonder if it can still make the noise.
You can see Chase's shorts at least.
Yeah,
Holy shit, he's so high. He's gotta be close, right?
Where's the guy in the black shirt?
He's like up there. Yeah, I think it's higher.
I'm trying to connect it.
So it disconnected. That's like finding a needle in a haystack. How's the hike been? Is it tough?
Yeah. It's a little sketch. Okay, it might be beeping.
It should be beeping!
It should be beeping. If you can hear it, it should be beeping.
He's climbing.
Maybe higher. Maybe a little bit. Jup seal. Yeah, definitely.
Where Peter is?
Yeah.
No progress.
Somewhere near you.
Yeah, Peter!
Nice one,
Woo! Yeah! Woo!
That's insane. Be safe. Be careful.
Be safe!
So cool.
Wow! We found a gun! Yeah!
That's crazy.
I know. Happy water for lunch.
Yeah. Are you also going back?
Where did Chase go? I thought he was climbing up and then...
I don't know. The mountain has him now.
Chase! Alright.
As you were.
Continue. How do you feel now that you have it?
Good. Off my branches. It was just like this. So I was like, I'm probably gonna fall. So I kind of thought that's like looking at it from here. It looks super vertical.
Like there's rocks with the whole loop.
These guys are definitely looking forward to their tips.
Yeah, Peter! Woo!
Think you don't try again.
No! We're good! We're done!
That guy did that in slides.
You did that in slides? What?
Oh my god.
Thank you so much.
I think we can't fly.
Can't fly anymore.
Yeah, no.
Find going now. I can't believe you found it.
You did that in slides. Now that is...
The shoes.
Was it scary?
Yeah, go out there so dangerous.
So dangerous.
Because
That is insane.
the rock easy to fall down.
Yeah.
The rock not
Oh, man.
Oh my god, that.
As we drive the last few hours on the Ha Giang Loop, I just want to say what an incredible journey it has been. From the stunning landscapes to the vibrant local cultures, this has been an unforgettable trip. Thank you, Ha Giang, for the beautiful experience. You were truly amazing.